Hi, Cody. Look, got all my shit in the Jeep, like bed and tent and heater and coats and warm stuff. I'm going camping. My puppy died yesterday, Mr. Major. I love him. So I'm going out Camp Wood to just mellow. Love you.
Okay, I'm not naked, maybe afraid, but I can't be barefoot because that's stupid. So this is my camp. This is my little sippy pomegranate because it helps recover muscles. And okay, so ready? Okay, so the road is way over here, probably about 200 yards out. You can't even see it. And then I set up my tent. And my tent looks like it backed into a building, but tents don't have wheels. And then there's my bed. And oh yeah, you're getting glare. That's great, right? Big camera work. So there's the bed. There's Fred, AK-47, also known as Don't Fuck With Me. And I got my crap. And then, speaking of crap, I got that too. So, yeah, I wouldn't make it on Naked and Afraid, Rita. That's just dumb. I made this, and it's really basic. Believe it or not, this son of a bitch took me 2 hours. And I still needs a little bit more work. And then here's my barbecue. And tonight we're gonna have lots of briquettes. Yeah, we're gonna have iron and briquettes. That would taste good. And I got a little shady spot. Of course, Hello Kitty, you guys. Oh my God, what else would it be? A long look around, and there we have it. Oh, and my hair's braided really cool for the week. I'm only gonna be here a couple days. Oh, Cody, you need to color my hair. It's got roots. I got a fly in my eye. Yeah, I wear makeup out here too, so yeah, that wouldn't make it on alone either. And I have crooked teeth. It's pretty, huh? Bye-bye. Very simple camp. That took me 2 hours, and it's nothing compared to some of the other ones. Crazy. Here I am, and I burnt my skin. No, I didn't. That'll be okay. And then I'm all the way out in the middle of nowhere. Good morning. Oh, coffee and bacon. Listen to that sizzle. A fire. Yeah. They don't have this on the show alone, do they? No, they don't. Sorry. This is the way to camp. Okay, so when I'm camping, I always circle my whole camp several yards out from the tent, just in case I see what tracking animal and stuff. And then Bigfoot, like these tracks here. Yeah. Bigfoot. It's kind of